Akoya the number so befa and I want to be down. John Mahama de sao. Hello. Yeah. John Mahama secretary. Akwasi afa phone ma John Mahama. Owai. Oba, okay. Yeah, John and Mahama. Let say Biaboko. Okay. Isi amugu yi no mo ya hombo. Sa na ada na wanfu pere ni bi ha na o yale ja o bodam na o yale wo he se da be no wanya to no no akwo ye ni to wanya to da hu na wasoma amanfo ma ko ana do mo ye rituals na yi ni so be no wo he ha la ni mu nye Catch Sam George kwasi ampeni se o mala ni mu na ornament won kan ye. O se mbe no jubilee house. Ah, okay. Okay. Na grandma ho. Ne yale ni mu ayeduan na se stay konkon. Don jajimi no hwe nyansa. Monye ka kwan na o Ghana no. Se sia ma ba na o so. Mo fa 4 years no. E ma Ghana fo hu se ma ba na e papa. Necessary de ese nkura duro na manu no ma sia nipa 8 mo kwa na emusu na ase den John wonni ma dokoro wuhia mpa ebo wuhia nti na wo ba ye wo kan ese wuhia mpa ebo yi na asofofo no so nkwase ampafo mu nko anti be den okay mema woni okon agema kasawai okay na pray no se jambe ne den ha ashe enti Jimmy usa ko jibo sen won yakoto helicopter e wo China fo ho ja o bodam John me pesa ankwasa asem no hello why busy say dem o da to obi hunu ntina me won pesa onim be kasa no boa onya to obi a John de bia makan me si ja Jimmy na ma wani na ho okay o delete e be kasa why de be koso bia ma mente wonka why baba na che se dun katia mame why waja Jimmy no ugusun kakra okay nya hwe mbasesa why say we ya ba edi ase munyina mutu mu hofo and this for mpanfo yi okay bye bye John Mahama how many times ma call ma throw 3 times nti wudi ma kasa 9 months out ba kunya so say Jimmy wo so unjai okay asane be wo panyina wa Jimmy no ne wo nkwala anya asafo ene ye me kama na ko sise enda no John Mahama interview bi ni Jimmy bi ni ne kwase ani bi se amanfo de phone sisi wo mo ho so general bloggers bi mo ne ade enti wo mo uni twem Mahama wo ya bo pi prako ni di wo ma wo Mahama owura fi Kevin Taylor ani free mind owura fi wo mo ombe sosi MPP for sosi akufu adu aso di na tem left and right e man kwala nyina na wo de na nsen aketo ye de ya 4 years unru ba ya na usi John ubi di uma mitwe se osi unya Jimmy no enya de ya yeso bi jawa te bi di da osu timi nya obi a hwe aburo nya wache o nyina ho anko si hwe o ye be di utum mama aboaba udan prako a unhwe nyansa won twen Ghana fo na ndisi fo mo wa no ye de bi e ka ese ye ho nya fe nti momra mbi di atem en uye ndisi nya wo ma mi twa ase di wo kan said ase du kati ampa bo onye gbeni onye tufuri ndisi fo nya ma siafo ye mu ma a mo twen Ghana
John Dramani Mahama Sidia. What's your baby or your blogger because of social media? Because I hate speech. You better track your IP address. Any of a show. Hey, John Mahama. Another diabo bell pow. John Mahama. A diabo bell pow. John Mahama, Mr. Diabo bell. John Mahama. A diabo bell. A diabo bell wapuan. A president John Dramani Mahama say, anybody abeye oya blogger na obekasa do mama any NDC for the kase kwachi omu nyina first ezeka NDC for nyina is able to be arrested munkache NDC for say do mama say blogger
enti munkache NDC for no meka munka no kranchi omo say me say do mama no pese yesie yo ni ni Ibrahim mama ne boma omo mfa omo jimi nkaso omo wi omo ya japade omewu na mon kan che do mama mfa ne kwase anya abronya no na on ko boko nkwachi criminals no mukum nipa no eno na Ghana fo be husu ya adwuma abronya o kan no kore keke o se IGP ni aboa na Ghana ni dia ni IGP ni aboa dan parity so na boko ni kwase mpanyini tani aboa ntimi nkokum nipa nkofri lati ase yeti Ghana ho ena ai den chobu asefo om koku soja ni ba kope akufo adu lae omo nyina abiom kogu prison e ba ne se ayeku soja fo tete nkokoma ayeku police fo se nkokoma oboko a joho no kwase mpanyin ni jomama nkwase afo mienu ntimi nkwache boko fo mo an why boko ni kwase mpanyin obro mna so enti wagimi na abronya ne ka no kora kire se MPP fo no omo so do Kennedy Japan ni afenyo markets no enti se NDC organize mu a ogina ho se meku afenyo markets na joho no ntimi ankwache na MPP ni adwe ben say normal no so ba betre jomama rima bo bodam muti jomama uti abofo uni twasere jomama uni twasere wano a eti nsuo ate kwasia jimi sa na ebu oman ever coach you see you are always the best thank you I really appreciate you obi anko Trinidad Steve non ko subscribe say ya what the comment ba me hunma body jomama we jimi too much oyire Lodina ne tuka puru se mapuka Lodina jimi fo tia ukuru no nyasa obeda ne kurani o ana obese mi kunuma o obese mi kunuma na afa na japade ana ane me ya ma wate se untimi ntia kwase mpanyi dwomama na mekuna ma wafa na japade munka nya so nkotofu na ka no nya real na mekuno oni yohono somso ma jimi a asia kronfo ekum ni pa sojafo ni police amri ombebo time e wo ka akwam na o machi criminals na o man mo save no mo si yemfa ne nkwachi obi ono te ho a abronya we kura no
na bi ne atimfo nyina se o me saka wa boy bana te ho and yohunu da na NDC youth organizer me boa and na wanya yohunu NDC youth organizer where IGP enti do pe bia obaya ma na me boa we live to see sana medika kan se de bodia no anka no due to do sa se de nko confuse da to mama na wuni o wo be diga na wo be ko 100 years in back MPP as a political party yes you be ba betina kunya never omo ma ye dini ni nara obunya dini sana ni aye di MPP why ye dia se MPP ba na yesu ye tire ye bobra yedi ya pesa baba o ba kasa se mu so dai se ramamentu ya yedi na sa ramamentu MPP ba munyadi meba commander no commander meba dia make you to organize dia can say you ba power MPP youth organizer now on your police we will make sure obey police ni because you police for her or say police atade wakata na nimba NDC youth organizer on your police ni you got don the money mama catch atimfo say omu nyina omu ye sakawa police anti omu azoka ennam Ghana have free dia dey catch omu no say yenye nim say 2028 ye ba power na say ba power dia kosi media for mu ya dance for ye pese bedu we be the say in fact ye buy more than 100 times the NDC for ye so omu pa omu tie ina nkogum because when we come back to power we will do the same thing to them ye be ti obi in fact ye be make sure the Ghana no ye be chom say yanso ye wotumi ye be ti power 8 years ya ti obi a ya nya body bia ya nya di body bia na say sa na on be ya na Ghana police so enya adwuma so omu ye professional no be ye adwuma ma NDC for we are there you are waiting for them 2028 inshallah yomu ye be more than 200 times
Jabo bem. Obo we jaye na o ma ho. Almost bre. Jabo mo Ghana. Jabo bem. Jabo bem. Ah, ye ti ko ma mo yo 2 fatem. Ye ti ko mo a ana mo che for penny mo di na tem. Ye ti ko mo a ana mampo hin na onya be ko mo di na tem. Ye ti ko mo a ana koda
to gba fede. Odokora je ne die.
O je ne die. Ba ku fo. The entire nation, all the dignities, all the rich beings, all the first class beings. Can you tell the Dido be at them? Mahama ne okay. I respect Mahama, but we on the bad here. You be trouble no, I'm a chill too. Ya bre no. Ne the job so ma.
Correct. Ono was about to move. Okay, I'm not having tell any days or no cross.
I got to the shinap. Why? Next is here. Madam, I got to the shinap. Yet, Chimichi, who don't damage and family. Mini at him, Namadia. Michelle operated about Toby. Why, Yabekasa? Yakarutu.
Good morning, Your Excellency. John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. When I was campaigning for you in 2024, you didn't ask for my IP address to be traced. But today, if I criticize your government, if I say something your government doesn't like, you trace my IP to arrest me. You don't need to do that. That's a waste of natural government resources. I can give you my address in the Netherlands. And next year, I'm coming to Ghana myself. So whatever I see, if I come to Ghana, arrest me, the Dutch government will fight for me. So I don't have a problem with that. But I also want to tell you this. Words, they don't have any power. It is our reaction to words that gives words power. Because first and foremost, words were invented by humans. Words are not like forces of nature, like gravity. So what is hate speech? If you are the president and somebody says you are a monkey, if you know you are not a monkey, why should this thing bother you? It's as simple as ABCD. I clean toilet, I say it all the time. People use it to make videos and talk about it. Why should I be angry? It is my job I do. So why should I be angry? Words don't have power. It is your reaction towards words that gives them power. If somebody tells you your children are not yours, are you going to jail them when you know they are your children? So you see, it is your reaction. Allow yourself to be criticized. Because you spoke a lot when you wanted the mandate. Now you have the mandate. So when people tell you what you said you have not done it, accept it in good faith. And say, I'm working on it. This thing won't solve any problem. Mr. President, me, I will say it. And I'll come to Ghana. So if you want to arrest me, next year I'll give you my itinerary. When I'm coming to Ghana, when I come there, you arrest me. But I'll criticize you as long as you are not doing well. Thank you.
Mahama, Sanko your drink, Anka on your drink for Frubia to say poison. Mahama, or a very poisonous man, snake under grass, pa Mahama. Wicked evil. Be bon sampa no ne nam hosano Mahama na ne se emre ye di kaso emre ye di kaso obetena so atena so o mre beso o mre anso a nature ebekumum enne wo frɛ ne den yadema toguma mpani odi owen ne mre aso we wukɔ enti sa na etenen we are president wa Ghana president na we are Ghana no we are president e ma Ghana fu nyina sa na yese nyansa e ka kire wonen we are president e ma NDC fu nko a we are president e ma Ghana nyina wo enne wo kasa about hate speech na hate speech no mesre wo MPP fu nko na sa hate speech law no e koma wo mana just recently ye call Akwetia by election Musa mo wa friend den oluma kurasini no odi mo echi a wo se wo friend azoka eka wo hosi wo friend Winiba MP no wo ho no obeto no wo Akwetia ho a anka ye be by election e wo Winiba. What do he mean by that? Mahama no want ana IGP kwasi antemo tibom so yare otwa wo so oyare timelele wo se oye denyo obi nim ya no IGP wante between abronye ene azoka when o deserve handcuff hina ene ese ye man handcuff then abronye eye ekanti a ono de mode handcuff abegu no na azoka ene nam ho hwenkurase attitude azoka ekoda na di wo friend den Akwetia den nsapempem amanfo hena no yenja no ye basabasa wo ho IGP satam na wani afiri ana man mo fo say NDC ni ye kwase ade de ono do deserve because mo na ban wo ho na MPP ni kasa de na yɛsɛ yɛkɔ hankɔfo no nanado sɛ no bu man anka emedu pempenso na nanado pagya Ghana kosi no nanado HC TikTok esa eno chesi ode na so mema o friend den speech sa enko baabi a anka hia ne baabi o pagya Ghana kodu ya wo abenya na fala na wo san de bre na se no wa ba bem 8 good months won ye hwe mo man ne ye won ye nyansa di bia wo man no mu ye TikTok na wo sorry a wo ne na mo na wo hwe amanfo videos a wo ye na wo arrest TikTokers some my way ya wo arrest won no speech a wo man no hate speech is saying wo friend dem bola so adi bi wo wo friend say GM ba hwan miss GM ba meboni speech o man na wa hwe say ono no do deserve say o trans no continue ye na adwuma ana no kind no ono deserve handcuff na maiwa bi a one the workasa a we say kasa na in favor of MPP na the one who deserve handcuff ana Mahama amemu na ubu no it should be equal justice. Nia MPP ni be ya obegu ne handcuff no. NDC one way kasa ma NDC for no so kasa sa gu ne handcuff. Sa Miss JM ba sa muti asem o kan.
Me say na hanu mo bia mu na eka ele ya 12 August mo dating to 2028 me say MPP flag bearer bi o mo be yi so on beto no so aba so we stand for presidential candidate me say ni padu benya akwanhia ofu pay aka play ne be hwo ofu kaka de ne be hwo wa ne ma be wu
someone mati asama ababa ne kan ano de hate speech no bi kwaka say BBC na ne esi no e obi fo franco pede ono do deserve handcuff na ne ababa e kan say 2028 wo friend dem flag bearer bia MPP be yi no ono de obenya kwanhia o tena prema pen ne be hwe akum na wewu na ebusu ewu ne de eno de hate speech ana ono de deserve handcuff Mahama fanyansa bu mai keke membe say Ghana na amafo no nanado adawro ma wa build edu baby no membe say no wo bananse ya wa kaza wo hwa mani ma ye tan o mani ma ye tan tribalism na mo hyehyase ena hemfo so wonti ewuwu o magimigimi nti no o agya wonim de ato ena wo di politicians echi na wo ye tribalism ene ye kidnap we wa ha ene ye kum we ato ene ye aye we wa ha eno no wo men no ye wo dadwen TikTokers na wo chesi won ni ababa e kan Miss JM ba e kan de ono de on deserve handcuff on de wa kan trasa no na mo the MPP TikTok ade a ono de deserve handcuff ebre ye ni nka so.
All right, President Mahama enra you follow one media and encounter na fine. I mean, that's it. In some new work, you need time on that. The video in person 1 minute pay. Just have a person me catch on say. So what say Ube criminalize hate speech there. And now say, when him say a crime. But on my question is say, a denti enema mama Kevin Taylor state protection. Now mu protect Kevin Taylor. Mu wie no. Ena modern kosi court ho. Ena mo sai ja no ko. Well, tension kakra ba wo so no. Once afi won say social media at temdidie ene ne manema na Kevin Taylor de ye na nado. No. Ana wo position that time na. Wa dwimu na o se na oye bibi papa no. Once on the table ne 10 year no. In vivre kakra fa ho no. It's obi wa no ba ko bia bloggers. Obi wa no ba ko bia bloggers, TikTokers. Why? Because once a hit ne few oba no. Anwodin. Na de akofa we nyina ba a emu aye demo, a emu saba be den krasen se de won say. Kevin Taylor, so woni man kana asem no anso so by this time. Ko amemu be kwawie no. Bia what debate 2.5 years e wi a e be ra campaign season mu aso hye beba no. Na kwaye sa de na ma no. Keno boa. What they say no show see be criticize o. They say we meet media no. do ma di diame nti omo neme bu omo nka omo no bi ntimi kochi obi betima kochi om but it is social media no budget na call for communication 70 something million no e bi amba social media o opponents ho enti no say what who said the assembly okay eti ye besaw won sem na akeka no na adwo me bie ba akopɛ na ma explain me wi a me sori akɔ eno a wo ka se wa mamu bae no mo obosia na mo ye within we na or manage within Ghana no mo a mo obosia bia President Mahama, I put it to you say mo ba in 9 months mo obosia $10 billion. I put it to you. Go buy in 9 months no, about $10 billion. So every month be an yes, striking the average there. Every month be about over $1 billion. $1 billion every month. Bosia bono. It wouldn't media no go share no. Now also cast out of credit from. It me say hit ni na be fi social media ha. Hit no ni na be fi ha. Now urge me nyano say they should criticize you. But omonya said the bear hate speech and now for any way bia or opportunity bia my arrest you. They should criticize you properly. We will criticize you properly. Social media and how do you be on control how? Super highways. If you are trusting baby, super highways so. That's what true. What means to put down? I put it to you, Sir President Mahama, who will take you over as a general, not Ghana, your death talk, $49.1 billion. As we speak now, Ghana, they got $59.4 billion. So, what was over $10 billion in 9 months? And because Wakasa, what dream mono, won't me account for the other year, you know. Also, I would think, so by catcher journalist for Swab Bobosia. Because $10 billion and never bet my year. And any market one. But you would me cash out me the year. $10 billion in 9 months. President Mama, oh buy 9 months. What was $10 billion? You are back cast out the year. It's inside the country media and I say a more was here. The hand almost to on Mubo Mutrinko. But what came winning some of $10 billion in 9 months. In any case, yeah, I will say, I'm a moon 1 year back. I feel you, when you chat 3 months after I will be, Yakin, the Codibrunia. It is September, you cry Monday. My followers, Monday, I'm a birthday, Obiambran Passo, 15 September. Obiambran Passo, my followers, no Obiambran Passo. Monday, Edward has September, and there we Yakin, the Codibrunia. 10 white my 1 year, nothing. Dollar na now do two once for him. Dollar na now do two once for him. And a dollar not free no. Ya $10 so. Exchange rate platform. Import duty sentiment ko form. I get the phone is one. Omusu papa. Omusu. Ye be bien say moi church and say moi Ghana for. Ye be bien say mu a church and say mu a Ghana for. Omusu agedi foni subuta fret forward e bi ba me ha no pay osija ba we de ba enche ne fifre bi edi ye no duty ye nto ade na so bo mo na makofa ba mo enjoy heat no the president mama me twam ha na me kai say question ba ko ne say black voter e ba ne say e na tama MPP wo abamu ubra Ibrahim Mahama entimi anto for 8 years. Sikato was Sikana went man yes negotiations no went man starting the time MPP wa bamu. Na black voter negotiation within shortest possible time. Ghana mining companies akese mienu Ibrahim Mahama etimi ato. As say abedi ni sem. Ghana golden bauxite akese mienu black voter abedi Ibrahim Mahama sem. In less than 1 year ba bamu. But you have conflict of interest or anything. Say President Mahama memuomu. President Kufuor time. Then a President Kufuor will be tall gold reserve CB akiyewu. black voter sa man we se president Kufuor time na ni nwan bi toya ko bia beti na ka sa me je na wai o di dia me wate me si super highway we eso ye trosen ba bia me si nkruma kramba etu dia waka ya te her speech ni enko ho but say the ebe dose nse mu acheche Ghana fo nse mu no all right ya dia eboboba